Tian, I want you to fly, I want ponies, and I also want elephants which ride bicycles.
Okay, let's go!
Olivia, I need celebrities. Go find me the X-Men.
Okay, let's go! Okay, let's go!
Nessa, I want you to ride a motorcycle and shoot videos at the same time. And also, I want you to go hiking in some really ulu places. Like now.
Okay, let's go!
You too! Eat!
Okay, let's go!
Social.
Stanley, we can't just do the fun stuff. Is that all?
Okay, let's go!
Guys, let's make a video for our 8th birthday.
Okay, let's